What is an ignition interlock device? Who is required to have one installed? Attorney John Ferrara explains that. An ignition interlock is a device that is installed in one's car that measures the alcohol in a person's system. Once the device is installed, one must blow into the device to start the car. There will also be random tests required while one drives the vehicle. If the machine measures alcohol above a preset limit, then the car will not start and a monitoring agency will be notified of the failure. In New York, the court must order the defendant to install the device in all vehicles one owns or operates and maintain it in his vehicle or vehicles for at least 12 months. A person convicted only of a DWAI need not install the interlock device. Call attorney John Ferrara in Monticello, New York for a strategy session today, and your immediate legal needs will receive focused attention. John Ferrara has a great deal of experience advising and advocating for people of all walks of life, and with decades of aggressive trial experience, he is ready to be your strong advocate.